In this tutorial I will show you how to turn on Hey Siri. If you want to activate Siri hands-free with just a voice command, here's how to enable the Hey Siri feature. First, open the Settings app on your device. Once you're in the settings, scroll down and look for Siri. Next, tap on Siri, then find the option that says Talk to Siri. Then select the option Hey Siri. You'll then be prompted to train Siri to recognize your voice. Just follow the on-screen instructions and say a few phrases so Siri can learn your voice. This will help ensure Siri responds accurately when you say Hey Siri. Once you've completed the setup, you will be able to activate Siri anytime by simply saying Hey Siri. And that's it. You've successfully set up Hey Siri to use it hands-free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.